He's lying. He's a president. He knows that you cannot pass a GAA without with a blank. He's lying. He's lying because he knows perfectly well that that doesn't ever happen. Sa kasaysayan ng buong Pilipinas, hindi pinapayagan na magkaroon ng item ang GAA nang hindi nakalagay kung ano yung project at saka ano yung gastos, ano yung pondo. So, it's a lie.
Pero tanong ng media kay Kimbo,
considered typographical error daw po yung pag-fill in the blanks ng mga amount?
There are some na typographical error. Dahil yung iba doon ay makikita naman eh.
Kasi technically sa omnibus motion po, i-allow yung paglagay ng numbers, kumbaga, na
Yes.
siya error, siya mistakes.
And there is another